So here's one way we recommend you guys to communicate to your teachers during the distance learning period. On your screens, you also have this little mail icon, top of your screen, little envelope. If you click that, you can send a message to any teacher you want. Hit click, and it says I have no messages right now. So I'm going to go to new message. And let's say I want to send a message to my science teacher, Mr. Larson. I go Larson, and we got search. There's a lot of Larsons in the district. And if you happen to know his first name, helps. His cape, here it is. He is Thomas Larson. That is him. I can put a subject saying, "Hey, need help with third hour." Help with third hour. And say, "Hey, I didn't quite understand the topic today. Can you help me out?" And press send. Okay. I'll send one to me so you can see what happens. That's me. Now let's put did not understand the lesson on whatever. Okay. Then when you send a message to the teacher and you press send, we will get a notification. So if you come onto our account, go, "Hey, I got one notification. Look at that." Click on it and be able to view what you had wrote. Did not understand any lesson on blank. I can send it back saying, "Well, read over your notes one more time, question mark." And I push send, guess what? It's going to go back to you, okay? But because I'm sending a message from me to me, it got mad, all right? When you push the send button, yours will work. Mine, because from me to me, I confused it. So I'll get rid of that one. Delete, yes. So we said recommend use this to communicate to all you guys to and from, all right? So you check back yours as far as your counts, so will we, all right? Hey, good luck with the messaging during the distance learning period.